now here on start, show my code, then you show your code, and then you position here like that. And look here in this gray. Are you wearing any contact lenses?
No.
No? Okay, then it should work. Okay, now you show your code. Okay, that's it. And now just have a look inside. Go a bit closer. Closer. Closer, closer, closer. Closer. Like that. Yes. Open your eyes wide. Okay, that's it. Now we have to wait. You go back to your app. Next steps. Okay, and now, so we took the pictures, converting it to a code and checking against our database. And this was the sound that it was successful. So now, yeah, everything worked out.
Yeah, it's still validating, but
The orb is a bit quicker, but now it also shows up here. So, done, perfect, it worked out. You got your, when you scroll down, you got your World ID.
So, may I know the procedure if I lost the World ID, how to recover?
In best way, wait, but it's an Android, right?
Yeah.
What you should do is do a backup. When you do a backup, then with the backup we can also restore your ID.
Self with the forward drive.
Yes. Yes.
Is the only one option to forward drive for the backup?
I'm an Apple user. This is why I don't exactly know, but
No, actually, we are signed up. He said we are asking for the mobile number, so we are not able to.
But there is not with the you had to give a mobile number at the beginning, right? And now was a password, right?
But there is no option to the forget the password. We are nothing. So only the one option for the Google Drive is the
Yeah, this is the best.
You're asking